Hello everyone, this is Heidi with Heidi's Home, and I thought today I would share a day in a life with you. This is just a typical day. It is early in the morning and I am browning a couple pounds of ground beef. This is lean ground beef. I'm going to be making a big thing of vegetable soup and loading my crock pot because we're going to be gone for a while today. Now, I have been eating lunch with my friends on Wednesdays, and last week I took the little Rolo chocolate chip cookies. So this week I decided to bring some brownies. So I whipped up some brownies this morning. You can see my coffee sitting there. I'm trying to drink my coffee and get awake and do what I need to do this morning. So I am making some brownies, and I will tell you, they are so good. They came out so good. They are good, fudgy, chewy brownie, and that's what I love so much. So here I am. I'm putting them into a 350-degree oven. It took about 30 minutes. Now I am loading my crock pot, and I love this recipe because it is super simple and inexpensive, and we ate on this for more than 2 days. So it's a couple pounds of ground beef, and I did add just a little bit of garlic to it when I was cooking it. I drained it. It did render a little bit of grease. And then I add 2 cans of each. So it's 2 cans of peas, 2 cans of corn, 2 cans of carrots, 2 cans of green beans, 2 cans of peas. And then I do 1 large can of crushed, slashed, diced tomatoes. And then I do 2 packages of McCormick beef stew seasoning. Now, if I feel like it needs a little more broth, as you can see there, I will add some water to it. But the beef stew seasoning does the trick. I let this cook on low all day while I'm gone, and when I got home, it was ready, and it hit the spot because we had a very busy day out, as you're going to see here in a minute. And come home to nice vegetable soup was so good. We just had crackers and our vegetable soup. It's been chilling down here a little bit in the evening, so it was nice to have something warm and comforting. Now I am packing our lunches, and we are taking just the typical tuna fish sandwich, which I mixed the tuna fish with a little bit of mayo and some relish. Ronnie likes cheese on his, and I don't. So we had tuna fish that day for lunch, and I'm just putting it in some Ziploc bags. Ronnie gets 2 sandwiches, and I get 1. And there is my brownies all out, and my house smelled so good. Now here we are at the gym, and I was really laughing at this footage coming up of Ronnie where I changed the speed and he's walking around. It made me laugh. But we've really been doing good, getting in a couple miles 3 times a week. Now it's lunchtime. We're at the Cabell Wayne Association for the Blind. And we're back on the bus. And I'm going to share with you a little bit of some of the fall colors here that we see here in West Virginia. I'm trying to put my camera kind of leaning against my bag because it's a very bumpy ride in a bus. But what you're looking at right there is Ritter Park. It's very beautiful this time of year. Ritter Park is where Ronnie and I had our engagement photos taken. And it's very beautiful there. And here is the entrance right there where you can walk into it. And then you can walk clear around. It's got a great walking area. It's got picnic tables. It's really pretty. And here we are. The Huntington Museum of Art is clear on top of this hill. And we are pulling in, I think, here shortly you'll see the sign as we turn. There it is. And we are going to pottery class today. In this video, this will be our, I want to say it's our fifth, yes, our fifth class. So this is the fall session, and we have one more class to go, which will be this coming week. It's kind of sad when it's all over with, but we made a lot of neat things. We always have a good time, and we learn a lot about pottery. It's pretty neat. Well, here we are. I'm showing you the pottery wheels that we use and the classroom. And there we made some plates using a bat. I'm showing you our clothes. We absolutely get covered in the clay. And there's Ronnie.
Happy birthday to you.
And we celebrated a friend's birthday, and then we were home, and it was time for some good soup. It was ready for us. And then we enjoyed a nice evening of sitting on the porch and just enjoying the cooler weather. And you can even see the moon in this clip. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thanks so much for joining. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.